morning, guys. It's December 11 and today is our field trip. So let's get this day started.
Hi guys! Anong oras na? Time check, Paolo. Paolo, time check. Time check. 8:59. We're currently waiting sa bus namin. Paolo!
Gusto nakakatawa si Paolo. Ano ba? Sir, sali ka, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, guys. We're walking.
Hi, nag-CR lang kami.
Tapos na-late pa kami. Hi guys. Sa bus na kami guys. After all the paghihirap guys, we're here sa bus.
Hi guys. Hi Pao. Paolo. Paolo! Ano? Hanggang saan yung vlog?
Hi guys, time check. Time check. It's 5:14 and doon po kami umaalis. 5:15 na. Nag-alarm. Hindi pa rin kami umaalis.
We're riding the bus later. Always remember this, guys. By the way, have a tarp on the in front of our bus so that when you can see our bus, just look at the tarp and the bus letter. Okay, copy? Listen up, guys. When I raise this.
That you only just begun.
Hi guys, we're going inside. Hey guys, it's the three of us. Yung best na nakalating dito.
Hi guys, we're going up.
inside the bus para mas madali natin maintindihan, ano? So from the mountain of San Mateo Montalban, pupunta yung tubig, yung agos tubig dito sa may Santolan, and then from Santolan, Pasig Meron Pump, going to here. Here's the deposit to. Nandito tayo ngayon. Okay? At itong area na to, kaya sa square, tingin kayo sa likod. So yung likod na yan, yung ilalim yan, yan dyan mismo iniimbak yung tubig. Pero syempre, miniature lang yan. Yun yung pupuntahin natin mamaya sa ilalim.
So we will go down. Down together. If we go down, then we go down together. This is us after. This is us after. Sana mahanap niyo FB ko. Charot. Hala.
May nahanap kasi siya.
Meron siya na match na freak, guys.
We're in the second destination. We are here in the museum. The KKK Museum. We are here.
Okay, hope to flex part of your body, papatuluin mo sa baso or sa bao, and then iinumin nyo pare-parehas. Para malaman nila kung ano ka ba ka-sincere para mag-join sa group o sa organisasyon. So, yun yung pinakita dito sa diorama na to.
We're moving on to the next part. Guys, we're now here in Eastwood, and we're in Eastwood. Nasaan yung kahoy? Bakit walang kahoy?
I'm corny, corny, corny. I'm corny, corny, corny.
Hi guys, finish watching. It's 10 over 10. 7, 8, 9. Sulit na sulit ang ganda.
Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna live it now like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next. I wanna be next. And the party was over. The time on earth.
Paolo before hot air balloon. This is Charles before hot air balloon. Hi guys, I am left alone. I am with Andrea, pero I am left alone, but I did enjoy everything, guys.